Hi guys, it's Papa PC for its first short video. So today I'm going to show you quickly how to install your DDR5 RAM sticks. In order to have the benefits from the dual channel mode, always place them in A2, B2 slots. Since AM5, the lower slot is fixed, so start from that one with your memory modules. Press the upper one until you hear a click sound, and that's basically it. Repeat with your second module the operation and you're good to go. It was Papa PC for How To Short on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe and take care. Bye bye.